Hey everybody, let's learn something new today with Mr. Mosley, the music teacher.
In honor of his birthday this month, we will discover one of the greatest musicians in history. This music lesson is about the life and times of singer, songwriter, producer, civil rights activist, and humanitarian, Stevie Wonder. Stevie Morris, known professionally to the world as Stevie Wonder, was born May 13, 1950 in Saginaw, Michigan. Blind since shortly after his birth, Stevie Wonder was a child prodigy known as Little Stevie Wonder. He was only 11 years old when Berry Gordy, president and founder of Motown Records, signed him to a record contract in 1961. Stevie Wonder is considered to be a virtual one-man band. Although he is best known for his exceptional vocal ability and phenomenal piano and harmonica skills, he also plays the synthesizer, congas, drums, tambourine, arpeggi, guitar, bass, organ, melodica, and clarinet. He also sings, performs, and composes in multiple musical genres, including rhythm and blues, pop, soul, gospel, funk, and jazz. Stevie Wonder has had 10 #1 hits on the pop charts, as well as 20 R&B #1 hits. He is one of the top 60 best-selling music artists of all time. In 1985, at the 57th Annual Academy Awards, he won the Academy Award for Best Original Song for I Just Called to Say I Love You from the motion picture The Woman in Red. Stevie Wonder has sold over 100 million records worldwide and has received 25 Grammy Awards. He is the only artist to win the Grammy for Album of the Year for 3 consecutive albums. Innovations in 1973, Fulfillingness, First Finale in 1974, and Songs in the Key of Life in 1976. Stevie Wonder campaigned, led rallies, and performed to sold-out concerts all over the United States in support of passing a bill to have the birthday of civil rights activist Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. become a national holiday. He was inspired to compose the song Happy Birthday to support the movement, and in 1983, it was finally approved as a federal holiday. Stevie Wonder has received many awards throughout his amazing career, including the National Civil Rights Museum Lifetime Achievement Award, Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductee, Billboard Century Award, Kennedy Center Honors, United Nations Messengers of Peace Award, and the Presidential Medal of Freedom, which was presented to him by the 44th President of the United States, Barack Obama. Test your knowledge. Number 1. Where was Stevie Wonder born? A. Saginaw, Michigan. B. Nashville, Tennessee. C. Washington, D.C. Or D. Birmingham, Alabama. Number 2. Which label signed Stevie Wonder to his first record contract? A. Stax Records. B. Motown Records. C. Chess Records. Or D. Capitol Records. Number 3. Which instrument does Stevie Wonder play? A. Piano. B. Drums. C. Harmonica. Or D. All the above. Number 4. Which song did Stevie Wonder win an Academy Award for Best Original Song? A. I Just Called to Say I Love You. B. Superstition. C. Isn't She Lovely? Or D. Overjoyed. Number 5. How many Grammy Awards has Stevie Wonder received? A. 5. B. 9. C. 18. Or D. 25. Number 6. Stevie Wonder led a major campaign to establish which civil rights activist birthday a national holiday in the United States? A. John Lewis. B. Ida B. Wells. C. Fannie Lou Hamer. Or D. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Number 7. Which United States president presented Stevie Wonder with the Presidential Medal of Freedom? A. Ronald Reagan. B. Bill Clinton. C. Barack Obama. Or D. Joe Biden.
Have a nice day, everybody. See you next time with Mr. Mosley, the music teacher.